Hi everyone, this is Shaswat and I have qualified UGC NET JRF in Philosophy, and I would really thank Rahul Mondal Sir for all his guidance and his support. So basically I am here to share my strategy with you all, that how I prepared for this exam. So as you all know that UGC NET paper compromises of two papers, that is paper 1 and paper 2. So for paper 1 I basically relied on the previous year questions, and your basic concept should be clear regarding paper 1, and you have to practice as many as questions you can practice, and that should be PYQs only. Okay, you should not go here and there for paper 1. Only PYQs should be your source, and practice as many as questions you can. And for paper 2 I basically relied the basic books, that is for Indian philosophy, that is Indian philosophy by C.D. Sharma, and for Western philosophy, that is Western philosophy by Y. Massey, and for contemporary Indian philosophy I followed B.K. Lal, and for socio-political philosophy I followed the book by O.P. Gaba, and for practice of mock text I enrolled in the Har Week Mock test, that is by Rahul Mondal Sir, and for the analysis of the different universities question papers and PYQs I relied on the Philosophical Studies channel. Notes and for other materials that were not provided in my book, and I followed the Telegram channel of Philosophical Study. In the file section there are many notes that would be helpful for you. So once again, thank you Rahul Mondal Sir.